A comprehensive guide to understanding symptoms, care and the prevention of acute bronchitis in children. Acute bronchitis is an inflammation of the large breathing tubes or bronchus in the lungs typically, which is a short term. The lining of the bronchial tubes swells and produces excessive mucus. This narrows the airways, leading to coughing and difficult breathing. Acute bronchitis is different from chronic bronchitis, which is a long-term condition. Acute bronchitis is a viral infection. Most of the time it's caused by virus. It often develops after a common cold, flu, or other viral upper respiratory tract infection. Bacterial infections are less common, but can occur, but it is rare primary cause in otherwise healthy children. Environmental irritants such as exposure to secondhand smoke, dust, allergens, or strong fumes can also trigger it. Those having preceding illness such as a recent cold or flu, having underlying conditions such as chronic sinusitis, allergies, or asthma, or having anatomical issues such as enlarged tonsils and adenoids, or environmental exposure such as regular exposure to secondhand smoke is mainly at risk to develop or to have acute bronchitis. The primary or key symptom is a persistent hacking cough that may last for several weeks. And also the cough may start as dry and then become productive with mucus after 4 to 5 days of symptom onset. In addition to this persistent hacking cough, slight fever and the chills, chest congestion or soreness, wheezing or whistling sound during breathing, sore throat and runny nose, general malaise or not feeling well, and sometimes gagging from coughing or vomiting can occur. Acute bronchitis is typically diagnosed by history and physical examination. In some cases, tests might be needed to rule out more serious conditions like pneumonia. Investigation is done to rule out other differential diagnoses, not to diagnose bronchitis. It's important to distinguish acute bronchitis from bronchiolitis, which primarily affects infants under 1 and involves the smaller airways. When it came to treatment, treatment focuses on easing symptoms, as most cases are caused by virus and they resolve on their own. Supportive care include rest, ensure the child gets plenty of rest, hydration, just offer plenty of fluids to help thin mucus. They also provide them pain or fever relief, such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen for fever and mild pain. Antibiotics are not effective for viral bronchitis and are rarely needed. And use cough suppressant with caution and only for children over 4 years old as recommended. In addition to this, environmental adjustments such as use a cold mist humidifier in the child's room. Rarely, the child might develop pneumonia as a complication, or in infants, viral infection that cause acute bronchitis can lead to bronchiolitis, and if it is recurrent and severe, it might rarely cause bronchiectasis or acute respiratory failure. But otherwise, most of them have a good outcome without any complication. Simple preventive strategies include hygiene, emphasize regular and proper hand washing, and also ensure children are up to date on vaccination, especially for influenza. Protect children from secondhand smoke and other air pollutant, and limit contact with people who are sick with colds or the flu. As a summary, acute bronchitis is a common and usually mild viral infection of the airway in children. Symptoms include a persistent cough, wheezing, and chest congestion. Diagnosis is based on physical exam, and antibiotics are typically not needed. Treatment focuses on supportive care like rest, fluids, and managing fever. Prevention involves good hygiene, vaccination, and avoiding smoke. Thank you for watching.